Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate the Steam's FPS counter. So let's get started. Open up your Steam, go up here to Steam and scroll down here to settings. After you have done that, you need to find right here, down here, in-game. Click on it and this option, in-game FPS counter. Press on this and now choose top left, top right, bottom left. You're choosing where your FPS counter will be. But yeah, that's all. It's that simple, really. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.